This is my typical nighttime skincare routine. So starting off, I'm going to just push my hair back out of my face. I recently got a package from Burst, not sponsored, but they gave me this cute little headband. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull my hair back, and all the products that you guys see me use and talk about will be linked down below in the description. So first off, I'm going to just take off my makeup and wash my face. Now, normally I would do this in the shower, but I actually already took a shower, but I still had on makeup because I was filming a hair video. So normally I would do all of the face washing in the shower because I hate the feeling of it just being like messy and the water dripping down your arms. But since I have on a little bit of makeup and my mascara is waterproof, first thing that I'm going to get is I like to go in with coconut oil and just gently rub it into my face to remove any excess makeup. I honestly do need to get like a cleansing balm, but this works just as good. I use it for other things as well. And I get organic virgin. I don't know if it really makes a difference, but I'm just going to go ahead and put some of this on my face and really work it into the eyelashes because this waterproof mascara really sticks on. So I'm just going to get a thick glob. I know that for some people putting like coconut oil or things like that on their face can make them break out. For me personally it doesn't, but this isn't something that I do every day. So I'm just gonna rub it all over. I honestly got a lot. The main part is that I need to get off this mascara, and if you have on waterproof makeup and you just wash it with regular face cleanser, you're not getting all the dirt and stuff off your face. So if I wear makeup, I always double cleanse. Oh my gosh, I put on a lot, but you guys can see it's coming off. Let me keep my eyes closed. So normally if I come back from a night with makeup on, I'll have the shower going and then like take a clump of coconut oil and go in the shower and do this so that then I can just rinse it off and go straight in with my face wash. Which I should have had my face wash on me. Now I'm like blind. Okay, I'm gonna kind of splash some water and wipe this off and rinse this off and then go in with my cleanser. Cannot see. Okay, next for my facial cleanser, this has been my favorite honestly for like I think the last year or two. This is the First Aid Beauty Face Cleanser. I kind of sometimes will use this one instead. This is a Cure Brightening Cleansing Gel, but honestly I just like the First Aid Beauty one better. It smells better, it feels better on my skin, and I love that at Ulta they have these smaller travel size ones that I can take with me. So I'm going to go ahead and go in with this one. Still feel that coconut oil in my eyeball. So something that I started doing probably like last year is that I really only wash my face at nighttime. In the morning, sometimes I do take another shower before work, but I'll just splash water on my face. And this could be different for everyone, but I used to like over wash my face because I had really bad like acne and I have oily combination skin. And so I would wash my face like 2 or 3 times a day, like really harshly wash my face. And I found that I was stripping it of the moisture and it was making my skin actually worse. So ever since I started only washing my face once a day, for me personally, my skin is less oily. And honestly, like in the morning, I just splashed maybe some hot water on my face and I'm good to go. So yeah, normally I would be doing this in the shower. The feeling of the water dripping down your arms is why I wash my face in the shower. That feels so much better. I hate having makeup on for a long time, and I was filming a hair video, so I had it on, got in the shower. I needed to get that off my face. So at nighttime, there's a couple of different things that I might cycle through putting on my face, but lately what I've been doing that's been working well for my skin is I put on this retinol and squalene. This is from The Ordinary, and so I just take this and drop some forehead and then some on my cheeks. And you want to make sure, and I'm guilty of doing this all the time, that you're not touching the dropper to your skin because that is how bacteria spreads. So I just like to rub some of this on all over my face, but not over my eyelids and the neck. And then we'll let that soak in for a minute. And if I don't do that one, sometimes I will alternate and do this lactic acid from The Ordinary. Or I also kind of worked in some products from Good Molecules, who also sent me a box a couple months ago. This is their discoloration correcting serum. So I will pick one of those at nighttime. You don't want to mix all those chemicals because that can irritate your skin. So usually I will just go in with the retinol. It has been my go-to lately. And then after that, the main moisturizer I've been using is from Verse. This is their Dew Point Moisturizing Gel Cream. If you have oily skin or you live somewhere that's super humid, this is really, really good. This is pretty much my daily moisturizer I use at nighttime and during the day. But if my skin is feeling more dry, or even during winter months, I sometimes will use this Summer Fridays jet lag mask, or I'll go in with this First Aid cream, which is like a thicker one. But lately my skin has been okay. It's not dry or flaky, so I'm gonna go in with my First. I love this stuff so much. Oh, also I have a code, so it's not sponsored, not an affiliate link, so I don't make money from it. But if you go to verse.com and use code ByBrianna10, I'll check it and leave it up here and down below. You can save 10%. They recently sent me a box of some goodies and they gave me another one of these, so super excited because I've been using their products for a while. Okay, and lastly, I always make sure to moisturize my lips. Usually I will just get some of this Aquaphor from this giant tube I have and slather it on before I go to bed, because there's no worse feeling than waking up with chapped lips. So I probably like OD on this before I go to bed. But that is pretty much it. I think it's a pretty simple skincare routine. My skin has actually been doing pretty well lately. I don't really get breakouts, my discoloration, because I usually have, especially like on my cheeks, pretty bad discoloration. But yeah, so far it's been doing pretty well. So that is my nighttime skincare routine. I will leave all my products linked down below, and I will make a daytime skincare routine video as well. Thank you guys for watching. I will catch you in the next one. Bye! Before I go, I was like, how can I say my skin's been doing well and like not actually show you guys? So this is all up close and personal. So is it perfect? No, I definitely have texture, but if you guys knew where I came from a couple years ago, this is amazing. So my skin is super moisturized, it feels good, it feels refreshed and clean. So there's my routine.